Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset forgotten Roblox password. So if you have forgotten your Roblox password, you can reset it using the account's email address or phone number. So firstly, what you need to do is you can simply type down your username. So firstly, you can also type down your username here and click onto this password. And the next is click onto this forgot password or username here. After that, what you need to do is you need to enter an email or phone number that may be associated with your account. And after that, select next. So over here, you need to enter the 6-digit code. You need to go to this new tab in the top, type down gmail.com, and you need to find your Roblox account recovery request. So over here, this is your code. Simply copy the code and go back to this Roblox page and you need to enter the code. And after that, you can simply type down a new password. And after that, you can click onto this update password. And that is it. That is how you can reset forgotten Roblox password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.